In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix domain to Hostinger. If you're looking to create a smooth connection between your website and domain, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this process and ensure you have all the information you need to make this as seamless as possible. First things first, you need to have a premium plan on Wix. This is essential because only premium users have the ability to connect a custom domain to their site. If you haven't yet upgraded to a premium plan, take a moment to do so. Upgrading your plan is straightforward and gives your website a more professional appearance, as well as other benefits that come with premium services. Once you're set with your premium plan, head over to your Wix dashboard. This will be your command center where you'll be managing all your website connections. Navigate through your account and find the section dedicated to connecting domains. It might be labeled differently, but you're looking for anything related to domain management. Next, it's time to input your Hostinger domain. Here, carefully enter the domain name you've got registered with Hostinger. It's crucial to double-check the spelling and ensure there are no extra spaces or typos. This step is the foundation of connecting your domain correctly, so accuracy is key. After entering your domain, you need to confirm ownership. Wix will guide you through this verification process. Typically, this involves a few simple steps to prove that the domain actually belongs to you. Follow these instructions closely, and if you run into any issues, Wix has robust support resources that can assist. Following that, it's time to change your name servers. For this, you'll need to go into your Hostinger domain settings. Once there, locate the name server area. Now, you need to update the current name servers to the ones provided by Wix. Your Wix account will give you specific name servers to use, so use those exactly as they appear. This change is pivotal in redirecting your domain to work with Wix. With the name servers updated, you should return to Wix to verify the connection. This is part of ensuring everything is linked correctly. If Wix shows that everything is in place, you're almost at the finish line. However, don't be alarmed if your site doesn't connect immediately. DNS propagation might take a little while, ranging from 24 to 48 hours, for the changes to fully update across the internet. This waiting period is normal, so practice a bit of patience while the digital gears turn and get everything aligned. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully connected your Wix domain to Hostinger. By following this guide, you're not just linking a URL to a website, you're building a bridge for visitors to access your unique online space. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic time creating with Wix and Hostinger.